Alright, here we are at the pond. We're going to check out these ribbons here. This one looks like a snake. We're going to check it out and see if they dig this. If not, well, we got lots of other stuff we can play with. Oh, here we go. Here, number one. Look at that. Oh, you jerk. Alrighty. Look at that. On the ribbon. Very cool. There you go, buddy. Very nice, clean looking bass. Alright. Thanks for hanging out, guy. We'll see you in a little while. There we go. Number one. Let's get back out here. Very cool. Oh my goodness. He's on it. Oh, there he is. No? Oh. You gonna come back for it? Oh. Oh. Yeah. There we go. He tried to get away. Didn't want to let go of that one, now, did you? Oh no, buddy. Stop, 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 stop. You're gonna get hurt. There we go. Alright, little dink. Where are you, little guy? He's safe though. There you go, buddy. Alright. Nice. As soon as this hits the water, they're on it, man. These ribbon tails are awesome. It's, oh no! Got excited. Okay, let's try that again. There we go. Nice. Yeah. Nice.
Nice one.
Yeah, he's decent. Another one.
Yeah.
Cool.
Looks like it's a smallmouth bass.
Large.
Oh.
See the line?
Oh yeah.
That's a lateral line. That's how you can tell the difference. It's a largemouth bass.
Oh.
Very cool. All right.
Bye.
There we go, man. There's 3 of them. Awesome. I love this pond. I wish my freaking pole would stop casting that way, though. There. Alright, guess we gotta rig up another one. So let's show you how we do that. This is a 3/0 EWG. Go just a quarter into the head there. Put it in, spin her around, find out where it lays. Oh, come on. And there you go. Ready to go. Let's get back in there. Alrighty. Let's see if we can get that guy to hang on this time. Oh, got you right on the shore here, huh? Hey, dude. Oops. There we go. Get that out of there. Alrighty. Very cool. Awesome. Cool. Nice. All right. Come here, you. Oh, look at there. Got another guy. Oh, yeah. Got you there, huh? Okay. We'll get that out of there for you. Oh, need a little surgery here, buddy. There we go. Safe and sound. Nice. Another guy. Very cool. Alright. Alright. Got another one. And the rib, or the, oh, what is that? Ribbon tail. Can't think. Let's get back out there. Oh, this little guy grabbed it right off the shore. Oh, stop. Stop, dude. Alright, well, Dink had to come for it. Nice. Wouldn't be our show without a dink or two, though. We don't mind the dinks. All fish matter. Let's get back out there. Oh, come on, jerk. Yeah, fix that reel, man. Think I need new line. Need to re-spool it sometime. Whoa, what was that? Oh, I thought I was recording. Dang it. Look at what we got. I thought I was recording, I guess not. Alright. Dang it. Alright. Awesome. A little slow on the record button, but alright. Short on the record button, but we got another one. Oh, I thought I was recording. We're just pitching by the shore here. That's where we got that last fella. Alright, we're gonna go to the old 5-inch worm and see how they do with that. I gotta pack more ribbon tails in our bag. I did it again. Forgot to hit the record button. Dang it.
That's cool.
Yeah, he's a good one. Alright. See you later.
Bye, fishy.
Got him on the old
Fishy.
stickworm. 5-inch stickworm.
Go tell your friends.
Yeah,
Yeah.
cool. Let's get back out there. Can't believe I forgot to hit the button again.
Yeah.
That's twice. All right, let's see if we can get another and record it this time. Jeez.
Yeah.
All right, we're going back to the ribbon tail, I think. I just feel like they want more action than the regular old stick worm. We did get that one, but I don't know. It just feels to me like they want a little more movement in the water. That ribbon tail shows a lot of movement. Oh, oh, he's already on it. That tail, the way that ribbon tail works, that tail flops so good. Adds a lot of extra attention in the water. Oh, he's nipping at it. We're gonna try this spot a little bit. Work this whole lake all the way around it, this little pond. Yeah. Gotcha. Nice. Right on the top of the mouth. Very cool. Oh, he ripped the tails off of it. Alright. Very cool. Very, very cool. Nice looking fish. Alright. We'll see you later, big guy. Alright, got a new ribbon on there. Alright, let's get her out there. You jerk. Why is it always gotta do that? Oh, I need to reline this spool. Oh, nice. Come here, you. Nice. Fish in a salad. Get all that crap off you, buddy. Alrighty. Another one. Thank you. Yeah, good job. Awesome.
I see the ladder a line.
Yep, the lateral line. Good job. See you later, big guy. Alright, there's another one. I knew they'd like that ribbon better than just an old stick worm. That was a bad cast, actually. I'm gonna redo that. There we go. Yeah. Nice. Hope I'm recording. Let's hope I am. Oh, little dinker. Little guy. Oh, get out of there. Okay. Little dink of a dink. Alright. Thanks, little guy. Maybe we can see if we can get another one. We got a little bit of time. We'll keep going. It's getting warm out though. They're not. Bites are dying off a little bit. We'll see. We ain't got too many of these warm days left here in Michigan. It's in the 80s today, and they say by Monday it was going to be down to 60s. So get these warm Michigan fishing days in while we can. Oh, yeah. Come on, stay on there. Alright. Another guy. Nice. Side the hook. Nice. Pretty color. Very nice. Alright. Thanks, buddy. We'll see you later. Alright, another on the snake. We're gonna really have to pour some more of those. Only got a couple left. Let's get back. Ah, dang it. Why does it do that? Alright. Let's get back out there. Nice. It's just a little guy, but oh, I had to go through the weeds, huh? Oh, nice. Nice. Alright, another guy. Very cool. Alrighty, there's another guy, and of course it's gonna cast like that first. Why does it do that? Every time, man, what the heck? Alright. We've got, look, another little guy. Oh, he kicked it. Oh, little dink. What a jerk. Alright, we gotta do our last couple casts by the dock here. Oh, this guy fouled it all the way up, huh? Ouch, you jerk. Oh, geez, calm down. We fouled it all the way up, man. I was just about to call it a day. One more. All right. Very nice. See you later, buddy. All right, we got a few of them out there today. These last couple hot days of warm weather here in Michigan. After this weekend, they say it's supposed to start getting colder, so.
Yeah.
We got out there while we can, though, and we did pretty good. Till next time.
Thanks for watching Sweet Boys Outdoors.